From Bihar to national capital Delhi, former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister is in the Tihar jail. He's been sent to 14-day judicial custody in the Liquorgate scandal allegations. The Central Bureau of Investigation this time has told the court that the probe is being given a political twist. Witnesses in the case are being intimidated. Here's a complete story of what is happening with regard to CBI custody of Manish Sisodia.
Don't be fooled by the smiles. Former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has absolutely no reason to smile today as he now languishes in Tihar jail. The Aam Aadmi Party's number 2 man was presented at Delhi's Rouse Avenue court by CBI officials, and with the CBI saying they don't need his custody anymore in the liquor scam, it only meant more trouble for Sisodia as he's now been sent to 14 days judicial custody. And that means being lodged in Delhi's Tihar jail. Scathing charges were levelled by the CBI in court, claiming witnesses were being targeted and threatened. The agency also claimed that political colour was being given to the investigation. Sisodia meanwhile requested in court that he be lodged in the Vipassana cell in Tihar jail. He also requested that he be given the Bhagavad Gita, a diary and his glasses.
एक्साइज केस में गिरफ्तार और तिहाड़ जेल में बंद किसी भी आरोपी से मनीष सिसोदिया को नहीं मिलने दिया जाएगा। दरअसल सत्येंद्र जैन के केस में ईडी ने अदालत में शिकायत देते हुए आरोप लगाया था कि जेल में रहते हुए सत्येंद्र जैन अपने को अक्यूज से लगातार मिल रहे हैं, जिसके बाद मनीष सिसोदिया को लेकर तिहाड़ प्रशासन ने ये फैसला किया है।
Politics over Sisodia's Tihar episode peaked as the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party expectedly squared off.
सीबीआई ने पुलिस कस्टडी ना मांगकर ये साबित कर दिया है कि उनके पास मनीष सिसोदिया जी के खिलाफ एक भी सबूत नहीं है और अब उनके पास मनीष सिसोदिया जी से पूछने के लिए एक भी सवाल नहीं बचा है।
मुझे लगता है ये 20 मार्च 20 महीने हो सकते हैं, कई साल हो सकते हैं। अपराध करने वाले का जो हश्र होता है वही मनीष सिसोदिया के साथ हो रहा है।
The Aam Aadmi Party also lashed out at the Congress for not taking a stand in their favour after the Congress didn't sign off on an opposition party's letter to the Prime Minister against the alleged misuse of central agencies.
कांग्रेस के पास आज मौका था कि तमाम विपक्षी दलों के साथ वो खड़ी होती और कहती कि हां इन एजेंसीज का इस्तेमाल गलत हो रहा है, मगर कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता क्या कह रहे हैं? 95% इस्तेमाल गलत होता है मगर 5% सही होता है, और जो 5% सही होता है उसमें बाकी विपक्षी दल है, और जो 95% गलत होता है उसमें कांग्रेस।
This could be just the beginning of troubles for Sisodia, as the Enforcement Directorate will soon also seek his custody in the liquor scam.
After the Central Bureau of Investigation, the Enforcement Directorate is all set to take Manish Sisodia in their custody, which means that Manish Sisodia will have to stay behind the bars for at least few more weeks before getting bail in this case. With camera person Pawan, this is Manish Pandey in Delhi for India Today.